I'm going to show you how to increase the internet speed of your Android phone. So if you are using your Android phone and you notice that the internet speed is very slow, or that the network is very slow whenever you want to browse, maybe you want to browse Facebook, you want to browse WhatsApp, you want to browse Chrome, you want to read news, but notice that the internet is very slow, the internet speed is just slow and frustrating. Now what you are going to do is, I'm going to show you what you are going to do, but the first thing you are going to do right now is to like this video. Like this video right now. As you are watching this video, make sure you like this video so that YouTube can suggest this video to those people who need it, so people like you that need this video. And also subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss out on important updates when I drop them. Don't forget to turn on the notifications icon in order to receive notification from YouTube whenever I post new videos on this channel. So without wasting much time, the first thing you are going to do is to restart your Android phone. Restart your phone. So when you are done restarting your phone, you turn on airplane mode. You turn on airplane mode. You can see I've turned on my airplane mode. You turn your airplane mode for 10 seconds. Then after 10 seconds, you turn it off. Watch this video to the end. Let me show you how to do it. So after you are done with this step, what you are going to do is you scroll down to your settings. Scroll down to your settings. Then you turn your data on. You need to turn your data on for this process. Now you are going to see your network, your hotspot, your connected devices, and all other things in your settings. But the place we are going to press in order to solve that problem is network and internet. You can see it on top of my screen. Network and internet. So just click on network and internet. Then it's going to bring out your Wi-Fi, your mobile network, your airplane mode. So where you're going to press on next, you click on private DNS. You can see it down here, private DNS. So you just tap on private DNS, then you set it to private DNS provider hostname. Then you in this place you input dns.google.com. Let me show you how to do it. Just make sure you are watching this video to end. When you come to this private DNS, yours should be at automatic. So what you are going to do is make sure you tap on this private DNS provider hostname. Then you input this dns.google.com. Then you press save. You see, that is just the process. So with this, your internet speed will be much faster. It will be much faster. And in case you are still experiencing issues with it, what you are going to do is just, whenever you are browsing, before you want to browse, you turn on airplane mode for 5 seconds and turn it off. Then with this, your network speed will be very fast, your internet speed will be very fast. So do well to like this video, drop a comment in the comment section to let me know whether it worked out for you, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more important updates like this. Thanks for watching.